What's up, YouTube? It's a boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to talk about uh I'm going to reveal that I've just failed my 25k one evaluation phase with the funding trading plus. So this was one of the most difficult thing that could ever happen to me. Okay, let me just go through this the whole funded trading plus. This was this one this funding this prop firm is one of the best prop firm out there. It's one of the best. You can even go on try Spalot just to see the comments of other traders who are already using this prop firm. It's one of the best prop firm out there. One of the best prop firm out there. The evaluation that I took, it is an experienced trader. This one, single face, a single face and a 25k. This is the 25k. I paid 200 US dollar. Paid 200 US dollar for this account, 25k. So it was hard for me to lose this challenge, just to accept the whole thing in general. It was difficult. So, but yeah, I'm currently moving on from this one. So next time I will do it once again. I will do it. I will take one challenge again, but I'm not sure if I will take maybe either this one for 12k or this one again. But it was this evaluation phase one. It is the profit split for this phase one for this experienced trader. It is 80.20 up to 90. So the profit target was 10%. 10% of this one was 2.5. 2.5. The 10% of this 25k. The profit target, it was 2.5, 2,500. So the minimum days, none. You can trade anytime, any day, for more than any days. It doesn't have maximum days and stuff like that. You can even trade it for a year. Once you reach this profit target of 10%, you are through to the next. You are funded like that. So the maximum leverage of this one is 1 to 30. So this one is a good prop firm, guys. So it doesn't give too much leverage, because it knows that once you have too much leverage, you will blow your account quickly. So them, they don't want that. They want you to keep an account. Platforms MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So here I chose MetaTrader 4, which is the one that I like. Or relative drawdown. This drawdown is 6%. This is overall drawdown. And the daily drawdown is 3%. So this 3% is 780 of this 25k. So and this one was 1.500 1,500 US dollar of this account. That is a maximum drawdown, overall drawdown. And the daily drawdown is 750. This amount that you bought an account with, you will be refunded once you pass. Once you go to the next, once you are live, once you are funded live. So I don't want to go more into details on how this prop firm work. I will create another video just to talk about this prop firm in general. So it's a good prop firm, guys. It's a good prop firm. Their broker is 8 cap. They are using 8 cap as a broker. They are using 8 cap as a broker. And 8 cap is a good broker, guys. Just go on Trustpilot and check. So yeah, let me just log in quickly so that you can see how much how did I blow this account. My network is kind of slow. So yeah, here is my dashboard. Here is my dashboard, guys. See, check here. Check here. Check here, guys. Maximum drawdown, I have reached it. Maximum daily drawdown limit, I have reached it. $793. I have reached it. So, but I did not reach the maximum daily drawdown risk. So yeah, the profit target is 2,500. That is the profit target. So out of all the trades that I've taken like, how many trades did I take? How many trades did I take? Check here. How many trades? So I've taken many trades here. Taken many trades. Over 200 and something. Yeah, over 200. Yeah, over 300 and something trades that I've taken. And out of those trades that I only won 133 and I've lost 180. So this one, it was, yeah. And I did not breach the soft rule. I did not breach this one. So yeah, unfortunately, we have not passed this stage. A reset is available now. Please check your notification for default. Notification for default. Yeah. This is just how. Let me just go on my trades. On all my trades. So as you can see here, my win rate, it was 42.49%. Status here, it says I've failed. So let's check here. Let's just check all my trades that I've taken. Closed trades. Let's go through these trades. They have been taken. Okay. Check here. Here. These are all the trades that I have taken, guys. Go to number 2. These are all the trades that I have taken. And yeah, I was losing, yo. But I know my strategy is very profitable. My strategy is very, very profitable. It doesn't want to let me go there. Strategy. My strategy, I have trust in my strategy. My strategy is, my win rate in general is let me say 57. That is my win rate in general. So like I said, it was difficult for me to accept this one because I've spent a lot of money on this one. So I'm trying to forget about this one, this whole thing, this whole this whole failure. So I'm gonna take another one, but I'm not sure if I will take it soon because I have to focus on my other trading accounts also, my personal one, personal trading accounts. Yeah, the customer support of this prop firm is also good. As you can see here, this one is my maximum drawdown. As you can see the table here, and the problem is I overtraded, man. I overtraded because I failed this challenge because I overtraded. I was placing too many trades in a day. That was my main problem. Check here, 6 days complete, but I have traded 300 and something trades. I have placed 300 and something trades. I was up. I remember I was up. I was down. Let me say I was down 3%. Then I took it back to 6%. From 6%, I failed. Now I've blown from 6%. Imagine I was up 6%. I only needed 4% to pass this challenge. Hmm? Hmm. Man, it was difficult for me, man. I was up. Imagine I was up. Hmm. I was up 6% of this challenge. Now check here. Hard rules. Account closed. No, do not breach our daily drawdown limit of 3%. Do not breach our total drawdown limit of 6%. Note, drawdown each day remains the same, but the price of a breach moves up as the equity in the account moves up. This was hard to take, guys. It was hard to take. Imagine 200 US dollar. 200 US dollar is 3,600 Namibian dollars. 200 USD is 3,600 Namibian dollars that I've spent on this challenge, guys. Huh? It was way, way, way too hard for me to accept this one. But yeah, as you can see here, as you can see here, oh, yeah, but I'll take another one. I'll take another one. I might spend another 200 on the other one. So yeah, because I've realized now, I've learned a lot now, and I've realized that okay, I've failed because of over trading. Because I did not follow my trading plan. I had a trading plan for this challenge. When I bought this challenge, I already had a plan for this one, but I failed to follow some other rules that I put on this trading plan for this challenge. So I over traded. Imagine, man, yeah, 300 and something trades, and I've only traded 6 days. Yo, it was hard. I was just over trading. Look here. Yeah? My average winning trade, it was just $19. And the losing trade is 10 US dollars. So yeah, yeah, yeah. This was hard to take, guys. It was hard to take. Yeah, but I'll take another one. I'll definitely take another one. I'll take another one because this one is a good prop firm, these guys. It's a good prop firms to trade with. Especially if you are an experienced trader. I don't advise new people, new traders, new forex beginners to just go out there and spend money on prop firms, guys. Wait until you are consistent. Wait until you have a strategy, a proven, profitable strategy that can make money consistently, guys. That's my advice for you. Don't go out there and put money into brokers and buy prop firms that you end up losing. It's better to spend on your education first. Spend money on your education. Go out there. YouTube is full of free, valuable information, guys. There's a lot of free information on YouTube, Google, everywhere. Guys, spend time on YouTube learning good strategies that can make you money. Mm. Go out there, bro. Mm. There is ICT also. ICT is also free, guys, on YouTube. It's free. That strategy, ICT is free and is available on YouTube. Go out there and go learn. And once you learn, go create a demo account from one of your brokers that you choose and test out, back test. Make sure that the thing is making you money before you go out there and trade a live money. Make sure you are profitable on your back testing when you are back testing first. Just to see, okay, is your strategy profitable? You might need to tweak it somewhere so that it can fit your trading style. Hmm? Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit a notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. Hit and like. Comment down below. Comment down below, guys. If you have questions, just comment down below. I'll attend to you guys. So, bye, guys. But once I buy a new challenge, I will obviously document it. Then I will post how the whole process is going. I will post it on YouTube, how the process is going. So, bye, guys.